Hello guys, welcome to Free PSD Planet, and this is Jamil. So in this video tutorial I will teach you how to create a custom brush in Illustrator CC. So let's get started. So first we check that I have this brush. So I want to create a new brush that is smooth and sharp. So first of all, select ellipse tool and draw a shape. I like this one shape, and change fill of the stroke. So here is our fill. To zoom, select zoom tool and click here. So here is our ellipse tool. So I want to small this one. So here is our shape, basic shape. So click here and click on this new brush icon. When we click here, you can show this dialog box. So I want to add, please add art brush. Press OK, and here is sketch or fit stroke length and press OK. So we have a new brush. Select brush tool, check out this. If you want to check out this, if you want to more smooth and less smooth, you can increase and decrease smoothness here. To increase smoothness, double click on the paint brush tool. Here is dialog box appear. You can change smoothness and accurate the brush accuracy. So press OK. So here is our custom brush. You can also change the size. Check out this. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. I love you all.